Hey everyone, Scott Davis from the Morning Breach. I want to talk to you about Apple's announcement yesterday on the release of the latest iDevice operating systems later today. And here's why I want to talk to you about it. Typically, when Apple announces the release of an operating system, they give developers early access to it roughly a week before it becomes publicly available. And that's important because it gives the developers time to verify their app is going to work the way they designed and developed it to work. So the bugs, etc., when a big software update comes out, are resolved and you don't have any issues. By Apple giving less than 24 hours notice and the code and the operating system to the developers, they're eliminating that kind of process the developers have. Now, if you were to update your iPad, watch, Apple TV today, you probably aren't going to have any issues. But there could be one or two apps, specifically on your phone or your tablet or your iPad, that do have, that one or two app that doesn't quite work right. And that's where I think the issue comes into play. I think the vast majority of apps will work, absolutely, but there's going to be those one or two apps that you may rely on that are critical for your job or your device that just aren't working the way they were working before the update. So due to that, I recommend going into your settings, disabling that automatic installation, and giving the Apple developers a day or two or a couple of days to go through, verify their apps, and get the apps approved and into the App Store. That way, when you do upgrade to the latest iOS, your phone is going to work just the way Apple and the developers design the apps to run. So that's today's tip. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I'd love to answer them. I'd love to talk to you. But with that, have a great day.